Hello everyone, it's me T from Hearts and Crafts, and I'm here today to walk you through how to put together my 2-page layout of treasured recipes. So in your kit you have 3 sheets of white cardstock, your pattern paper, and your clip art. I'm going to set my clip art aside. In addition, what you're going to need is a paper trimmer, the glue of your choice, and optionally some glossy accents. Totally optional. All right, what we're going to start off by doing with our paper trimmer is we're going to put it in and cut off this white border. If you cut a little bit into the pattern, it's not going to be a problem, but we just want to get off this white, and then we're going to turn around and put it on white. I know that sounds very redundant, but this will give it some extra stability. Okay, one done. And let's do the second. And do all 4 sides. Missed a little on that one. You know what? Okay, so now that we have those cut, we're going to put our trimmer to the side and grab your glue and you can use tape runner if you want. I like glue. I use the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive by Tonic. It's just a personal preference. I like the way it holds. It gives me some time to kind of wiggle it into place before I commit to it. Let's do your next page. And what's great about this glue is it doesn't take a lot. And we're going to put this down right here. Okay, so there are our 2 pages. Now for your mats. Now, my recommendation to you would be to cut your mats based on the pictures that you have. So I'm going to assume my pictures are 5 by 7. So I'm going to do a 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. And then my others are going to be 4 by 6s. So 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. All right, we're going to put our paper trimmer aside. Okay, so now we're going to add our clip art. I like to use foam squares to put my clip art on. So I'm grabbing some foam squares. And I'm just going to add as many as I think I need to stabilize this. And then a couple of down the center. Hopefully you are making yours along with mine. Love this clip art. It's by Treasure Memory Box. She has some of the cutest stuff, and I love gingerbread characters. In your package, you have a picture of what this is going to look like when it's done. I didn't print it for myself because I thought it might be fun to see if I put it together exactly like I did previously, or maybe mix it up a little bit and just see how it comes out. So I'm going to put this here, this here, you know what, actually I think I'm going to put that here. What do you think? Does it look like the picture? If not, that's okay. I like the way it looks. So what's nice about these page layouts is that you can easily make them your own. You can put them together exactly like I do, or just play around with them. For time's sake, I'm not going to pull all of these foam squares off because they drive me insane. Because I work with so much paper, my nails are brittle, constantly breaking. So we'll put this here. Now, one thing that I highly recommend is don't take the foam off of the pieces that overlay on your mats. That way, you can still slip your picture onto it at a later time if you're making these and adding your pictures later. The only thing that I don't use wet glue on is my pictures themselves. But everything else I do. Okay, so that's that page. All right, I think on this I'm going to go a little bit higher. Take it right up to the top. So there's more room for my picture. And tuck it in just a little there. And then add my last piece of clip art. Cute, isn't it? Okay, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some glossy accents and I'm going to add it throughout my page to just give it that epoxy look throughout it. You can do as little or as much as you want. I like to do inside the eyes. I'm going to do the icing. I'll do the white here. And this does dry clear, which is nice. I'll do the hinges. And squeeze it pretty thick. One thing that you don't want to do is shake glossy accents, or it gets bubbles in it. Okay. So now I'm moving on to my bowls. So to give it some definition, whoops, let's get rid of that little dot right there. So you can see better one bowl from the other. I'm just doing it on the lip of the bowl. I kind of go in a rotating circle. I don't know that it's necessary. You can see I'm going out of the line a little bit. I think it's hard for me from this angle, but I'm just going to take a scrap of paper and push that in. Okay, I'm going to do my button. And that's all I'm going to do on this page. So I'm going to set that aside to dry, and I'm going to move on to this page. So on this page, oh, I don't know why I did put you upside down. I'm going to do, if you get a bubble, just poke it out with your lid. Not the lid, but the tip of your glossy accents. Maybe the handles, get those to pop a little bit more. Okay. And now my gingerbread. Get inside of the eye. How about the heart cheeks? I think that would be cute. All right, there you have it. So these are my 2 pages. All right, so I'm going to set those off to dry, and I'm going to show you some new things that we have in the store. Some of my new page layouts. So our page layouts are $12.99, and it comes with everything that you need except for the adhesive and then anything that you're using to bump it up. So this is my newest. This is Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the 3rd version of it that I have in the store. So that is available. Now, all of my layouts are 20% off by using code SAV20. So this is 𝐂𝐿𝐴. And then pumpkins, autumn pumpkins. In addition to that, I have some of my new mini albums that I'll show you. This is my latest called Christmas Memories. My albums are $34.99. And they are also on sale, 20% off. Where'd that go? Guess that was an extra piece. You know where we can put that extra piece? Right on the back. So if you're going to give this to somebody as a gift, you can write them a little note on the back. And then I have my brag book, which is a little boy. I have a little girl as well. I just didn't grab it to show it to you. All right, so that's what I have new in the store. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye.